Hello and welcome to my show. I'm Lyceum, your host, along with FKM Tahseen as usual, and this is your fantastic channel Tahseen's Lyceum. Today we are going to discuss why you should teach your son that cooking and cleaning are basic life skills, not gender roles. Tahseen, we know your room often looks messy and your clothes are usually scattered around.
Dad, don't embarrass me. It's a show. Don't ruin my reputation. When mom was home, she used to take care of everything for me. Now that she's away, you're the one doing those things in her place. Hi, mom.
Cooking and cleaning allow a person to live on their own without relying on others. These skills ensure a person can take care of their own nutrition, health, and environment. Tahseen, what are gender roles?
Gender roles are social expectations about how people should behave based on their gender. Traditionally, women were expected to handle domestic duties like cooking and cleaning. Men were expected to work outside and avoid household chores. These rules are outdated and don't reflect modern views of equality, independence, and mutual responsibility.
Great. Teach your boy that knowing how to cook and clean doesn't make him less of a man. It makes him ready for life.
Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, did cook, clean, and help with household chores. He would mend his own clothes, fix his sandals, milk the goat, sweep the floor, cook or prepare food when necessary.
This behavior reflected his humility and his belief in treating others, especially family, with kindness and responsibility. It broke social norms of the time where such tasks were often seen as solely women's work. And that's all for today.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.